Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact payload and tools. Decide whether you need a URL, contact, or short file. QR capacity limits size, so compress or host large files and use a link. Install a reliable generator, desktop, mobile, or CLI, and make sure your device camera and permissions are active. Once done, test encoding a short sample string to confirm format and character set. Make sure to use UTF-8 for text and HTTPS links for secure transfers. You now generate the QR with attention to resilience and size. Pick an error correction level. Higher levels recover more damage but increase symbol complexity. Choose based on expected wear. If sending a file, upload it to cloud storage with access controls and paste the short HTTPS URL into the payload. Export the QR as PNG for images or SVG for scalability. Set a pixel size appropriate for printing or screens, and optionally embed a small logo while preserving scannability. You finish by distributing and verifying the transfer. Share the QR on screen in email or print it with high contrast and a clear, quiet zone. Avoid glare and tiny sizes. Scan using different devices and apps to confirm the payload loads and permissions allow access. Once done, verify integrity of transferred data or download. If something goes wrong, resize the code, raise error correction, or shorten the URL to reduce complexity. This usually fixes scan failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.